Showbiz, Panatics, Barbie Forteza, may mga prangkang sagot sa prangkang tanong patungkol sa kanilang relationship and working relationship with Mr. David Licauco. Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magsimula sa ating updates for today's video, nais kong pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga Barda fans, Filay fans at ang lahat po ng mga sumusuporta kay Barbie Forteza and David Licauco. Salamat po sa inyong pagbisita. And for today's video ay nais mong pasalamatan ng mga ni Barbie Forteza and David Licauco sa mainit na pagsuporta ng lahat ng mga Barda fans and Filay fans sa katatapos lang nilang serye na Maging Sino Ka Man. Marami po kasi ang nagtatanong at marami po ang nag-iisip bakit ang bilis naman matapos. Samantalang gabi-gabi po nagte-trending po ang Barda, ang Maging Sino Ka Man segment, dahil po sa galing na kanilang ipinakita dito po sa serye na ito. Para lang po sabihin sa inyo, meron lang po kasi kumaga limited lang po talaga yung ito pong serye na ito kasi yung original po niyan, inadapt lang po nila yan dun po sa pelikula ni Miss Sharon Cuneta and Mr. Robin Padilla na Maging Sino Ka Man. Hindi naman po talaga siya pang teleserye, pang movie, pero ginawa ng teleserye ng GMA para po talagang ibigay ito pong teleserye na ito sa Barda. At bagay na bagay kasi yung kanilang magiging karakter sa nasabing serye. Pero ito nga ang good news dahil binili na rin po ng Netflix yung Maging Sino Ka Man. So soon mapapanood na rin po siya sa Netflix, yung mga episode na ito. So kung hindi po ninyo napanood at gusto nyong ulitin, pwede nyo pong balikan yan. So abangan nyo lang po ang announcement, So eto na nga guys, sabi dyan, meron po mga interview si Miss Barbie Forteza at may mga bagay siyang nilinaw at may mga prangkang sagot siya sa mga prangkang katanungan. Sabi dyan, Barbie Forteza set her foot down by shooting down any hopes for her and screen partner David Licauco's real pairing to turn into a real one. The actress shared her thoughts at last Thursday press conference for their upcoming primetime show Maging Sino Ka Man, premiering on September 11 on GMA's 7. She and David were asked about the limitation of their lab team, its effects on their personal lives, and the clamor for their pairing to be real. Masasabi mo naman talaga na meron talaga silang clamor, diba? Una po sa lahat, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved supporters na nandito ngayon. Ito po yung kanyang mga pasasalamat. Magandang gabi from the bottom of our heart. Gusto po naming magpasalamat sa inyo for your unconditional support. It was said by the actress and address some of the Bardas and Barbie and David fandom name supporters who were present during the press con. After thanking them, she explained how their tandem came to be, which started when David began actively engaging with their fans on Twitter, then known as X, then known as Twitter. She also said that it was David's initiative that further helped their pairing to be successful, especially during the airing of Maria Clara in Ibarra, whereby the lab team was formed. And when after their show ended last February, I would also like to share the credit of success for Barda. Kay David kasi siya naman po talaga ang nagsimula ng Twitter serye sa Maria Clara, which is ito yung inamin niya. Binigay niya yung credit kay Mr. David Licauco. Doon talaga nag-start yun Doon talagang sobrang kinilig yung mga fans po nila. Where the Barda Lab team was formed and even after the show ended nung February this year. I would also like to share the credit of success sa mga Barda fans din na nagsimula nga daw po doon. So, siya naman talagang nag-initiate ng Twitter serye na yun. Nakiride lang ako tapos nagustuhan ng mga fans. Kaya tumaas sa engagement namin sa Twitter. Sabi, I'd like to share the success of course with David dahil grabe din talaga yung hard work and yung dedication niya to make us work, to make this partnership work na parang pares kami nagbe-benefits and pares naman kami nagigain ng friendship sa isa't isa. Throughout the process of working together, Barbie said, she proceeded to candid about threading their way around the cruel world of showbiz, saying it's not easy. It seems to be actor. She thankful to have found friend in David. So, inulit-ulit niya that friendship po talaga sila ni David, ano. So, sa industriyang ito, masasabi ko na napakalaking bagay kung makahanap ka ng kaibigan sa isang katrabahong matagal mong makakasama. Kasi, sabi niya, it's a kind of cruel world. It's not easy being in our shoes. So, ang saya lang kasi we got each other's back. Barbie turned introspective as she addressed their fans. Sabi niya, as for the fans, grateful that you are the support or yung support na binibigay nila sa amin na kahit hindi naman hinihingi, binibigay nila sa amin ng buong puso. Siyempre, sabi po ni Miss Lea Salongo, we have to set our personal boundaries. Because at the end of the day, tao po kami, she said. Referring to Lea's, yung nag-viral nga na post, diba, na parang kailangan may boundaries between the fans and yung mga artista nga, diba? So I guess David will agree with me. Yung personal lives namin outside this partnership, outside this love team, are off limits. The people that make us happy, the people that I love as family loved ones, off limits po yun. Opo, hindi po yan kasama sa trabaho, Barbie shared. He also, a real partner earlier in the press con said that making this real things for him and Barbie did not cross his mind because he respect the actress. Real boyfriend actor Jack Roberto. David has also been quoted many times in recent interview with similarly praised answers stressing on respecting their private lives. So, magpapasalamat po siya kay Mr. David Licauco dahil nauunawaan ni David kung ano po yung katayuan niya sa buhay ni Barbie. At ang isa lang talaga sa pinakainahangaan natin kay Barbie, alam niya kung paano balansehin, 'di ba? Paano niya ilalagay yung sarili niya. Although mahirap kasi nga 'di ba, may boyfriend siya. Tapos sikat po yung kanilang love team ni ang gusto ng tao, si David para sa kanya. Pero siyempre, at the end of the day, si Miss Barbie Forteza pa rin na magde-decide para sa kanyang sarili. Sabi niya, well, siyempre, again, first and foremost, we have to respect the personal lives of Barbie and I. Kaya, siyempre, we're good friends and I have so much respect for Jack. Hindi ko naman siya naiisip, David said. Sabi niya na alam po nila kung paano po nila, kumbaga parang tinanong kasi si Barbie kung paano niya binabalanse yung lahat ng bagay, 'di ba? So, sinasabi niya na nagkaunawaan sila ni David bago pa man talagang mag-boom yung kanilang career parehas ng sabay na kailangan alam nila yung off limits nila, alam nila yung kanilang boundaries, at alam nila kung paano yung pagsiset ng mga personal na buhay nila sa isa't isa. Kaya naman alam mo, believe talaga ako dito kay Barbie kasi talagang pinapakita niya na sandali. Pwede ko kayong pakinigin dito sa part na to, pero may sarili rin akong buhay. Parang ganon, di ba? At matatalino rin naman po ang mga fans ni Barbie at David. Alam nila kung paano distinguish ang real sa reals. So that's it for today. For more videos and updates, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please follow me on my Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!